Okay, welcome to the English class, childrens. Good morning to one and all. First, open your English textbook and pass on to page number 131. Here, we are going to discuss about something about the Obama, and he was the former president of America. And why we are going to discuss about the Obama for his life story, because here he was going to write a letter to their children, the two of the girl children, and his achievement was going to improve the girls, and he was focusing on to the girls child, and in the meantime he was writing a letter for their two children. In this, and he was telling about that what they are going to be spent when he was going to campaigning about to the American presidency, and how their children would be spended their times within that period of 2 years, and what they are going to be done and after, and what is his wishes that should be we are going to observe in this chapter. In this tender, beautiful, and emotional letter to his daughters, and pass on to page number 131. In this tender, beautiful, and emotional letter he was writing, it was a tender, that means tastier, and also beautiful, and also it contained emotional letter to his daughters, and one and his daughter's age was Malia was 10 and Sasha was 7, and both of them were the girl child, and he was the America's former president Barack Obama tells his children why he decided to contest for the president's post, and he was telling about that why he was going to be decided to contest for the president post, and he also tells us what he wants for his children, and also he was telling about that what he was wishing to do for their child. And here he is going to write a letter. Dear Malia and Sasha, I know that you have both had a lot of fun these last 2 years. I am knowing that, and when we are not in the home that of last 2 years, and you are having both lot of fun and also entertainment, and on that last 2 years on the campaign trail, we are going to make a political party, and we are going to make that party will be win, and we are going to campaigning to winning the party, and in that meantime we are going to picnics and parades, and picnics means you are going for picnics, spending more time in picnics, visiting the newer places, and you are having fun with you, and also parades, and you are wishing to see the processions also, and also you are observing the state fairs. State fairs means some fairs is going to be conducted, that means the functions or the celebrations that is going to be conducted, you are attended, I know that, and also eating all sorts of junk food your mother and I probably shouldn't have let you have. When we are your mother and I am not there, you are going to be eaten junk food. When we are there, we are not going to allow for you to eating the junk food, because junk food is not always good for health. So in our absences, you are going to be eat all the junk foods, and you are make fun of yourselves, and you are also attended some fairs and also some parades also, and you made fun of yourselves. But I also know that it hasn't always been easy for you and mom, but I am thinking it is always been easy for you. You are thinking that it is easy for you, but I am thinking that it is not always easy for you, and that as excited, and that as I am excited that as you both are about that new puppy, and also you are enjoyed with along with the accompany of the new puppy. Here, new puppy means the child one of the baby dog or the baby dog. That means you are enjoyed with that company of that new puppy. It doesn't make up for all the time we have been apart. It always doesn't make the difference between all the time when we are in the far distance or far away. I know how much I have missed these past years. I am knowing that how much past I am going to be missed these years. I know that the further 2 years. That means if both of them are along with adjoining with one another, there is no differentiation will be observable. If one of them will be missed in that family, in that time, both the members are going to be worried about that. If somebody will be missing, he was thinking that I am lost something. And those who are the family, they are thinking we are going to lost something. Likewise, it is going to be happen. And today I want to tell you a little more about why I decided to take our family on this journey. Now I am going to reveal that why I am going to take our family on this journey. And we are going to start a new journey. I am going to take you along with me. Pass on to next page. When I was a young man, here he was, Obama was going to remember his youngerness or childhood days. When I was a young man, I thought life was all about me. In that time, I'm thinking that life was all about me. It will be always available to me. And about how would I make my way in the world? That means when I am going to convert it as my wishes. And I thinking that life was all about me. About now, I would make my way in the world. That means I am going to make my path in that world, and I am wishing to become successful in that way and get the things I want, and also I am wishing to get the things whatever I am going to be needed, I am going to be get it. But then the two of you came into my world. When we are going to thinking like that, we both husband and wife are going to be thinking like that. Both the two of you came into my world. In that time only, both the child will be coming with our family, and it will become four. In the earlier, it will be two. After that, another two childs will be appeared. It will become four. My world with all your curiosity and mischief, and in that time you are having some curiosity in yourself, and also mischievous thing what you have done, that and all I am going to remember. And those smiles that never fail to fill my heart and light up my day. And in that time when you are going to be smiled, and that will be never forgotten from my mind. It should be in my heart only. In those days, what we have done and how we are going to be cheerful, and the smiles that should be filled my heart, and also it lighted up my day, and that will also begins my new day. Obama is telling like this. That means here it is going to be my happier day. That means your smiles will be appear in my heart, and in that day was becoming very joyous day. It will lighting up my day. It will beginning up of my new day. And suddenly, all my big plans for myself didn't seem so important, and also all my big plans for myself it cannot be seen so important anymore for seeing of you, both of you. I soon found that the greatest joy in my life was the joy I saw in your. And I am also researched or founded or examined that the greatest joy of in my life is both of you. How you are going to be joyous, I saw it is in your childhood. And I realized and I knowing that my own life wouldn't count for much unless I was able to ensure that you had every opportunity here, and I knowing that my own life it would not count, it cannot be counted easily because of our joyness and what we are going to be spent all of you or along with you, and how we are going to be spending our times, it should be as an unless I was able to ensure, I am sure that you had every opportunity for happiness and fulfillment in your that means I'm going to observe that I'm going to get the opportunity for happiness for seeing both the children. Likewise, you are going to be entertained in our lives. In the end, girls, that's why I ran for president. In the end, because I am going to run for to become a president. Because of what I want for you and for every child in this nation. Because what I am going to wishing, it is only for you and for those who are the childs in this nation. For that sake only I am going to contest for the president's election. And how we are going to be become happier, likewise I am going to build the child for every child to become a happier one. So I am going to contest for the election, and I want all our children to go to school. I am wishing that those who are living in our country, all of them are going to school only, and they cannot spend or they cannot waste their time for spending here and there. And I wish us that all of the children will go to the schools worthy of their potentials, worthy of their ability. And ability means those who are having the much money and they are some of them are having less money. That means here worthy of their potentials, worthy of their ability to attend the schools that challenge them, inspire them, and introduce in them a sense of wonder about the world around them. And also, if they are going to the school that will challenge them for reading purposes, it is go on encourages them to read, and it is go on challenging them, and the school will inspire them to read, to become something or become to the nation, or they are going to do something towards to the nation. And also it introduces them a sense of joyness or sense of wonder about the world in and around them. I want them to have the chance to go to colleges, and also I am wishing them after finishing of their school, and I am wishing them to go to the college, and I will challenge or giving a chance towards to go for the college. Even if their parents aren't rich, even if their parents are not rich also, and they are going to take the education, how they are going to be vicious, and they can reach their targets easily. And I want them to get good jobs after finishing of their successful education, and I am going to get good jobs in the companies or somewhere else, and they will get the jobs that pay well and give them benefits like health care. And if they are going to be joined to the jobs, it gives the benefits like health care, it will protect their health, and also it gives some some interested towards their family, and they will take care of their health. Jobs that let them spend time with their own kids and retire with dignity. And if they are going to be getting the jobs that let them spend time with their own kids, when they are having their jobs in their hand, they will spend more time with their own kids. Afterwards, they will get retired with dignity, or with dignity means they are going to get prestigiousness for the retirement. I want us to push the boundaries of discovery. I am going to push towards to the boundaries. I am not restricted them. I am always making them a room or going to get some advantages for boundaries of discovery. They can achieve something. I am going to give the opportunity to achieve themselves and discover something, so that they can find out the new technologies and invention. They can find out the technical things and also some advantageous things they are going to be invented and should be useful for their lives also, that improve our lives and make our planet cleaner and safer. When they are going to be become educated, and they are going to be get the good jobs, and they are going to be invent something, in that time we are going to make our lives beautiful and also makes our planet cleaner and also safer one. And I want us to push our own human boundaries, and also we are going to push our own human boundaries to reach beyond the divides of race and region. And also we are going to push our own human boundaries. We cannot restrict the boundaries. We are always reach beyond the divides of race and region, and we are reaching towards to the another thing. We are not restrict ourselves, and also we are not going to taking into consideration as gender and religion, and that keep us from seeing the best in each other. If we are going to make some gender differentiation and also religion, we are not going to give our best to the country, or to give our something towards to our nation. These are the things I want for you. These are the things I am wishing to want for you, to grow up in a world with no limits on your dream. And these are the things I am going to want it, and there is no limitation for growing something, and there is no limitation for the thinking about the dreams and what we are going to be dream on, and we are going to achieve something, and we are going to reach beyond our limitations and grow into concern for others, and also growing ourselves for showing concerns to the others. And if somebody will be sufferer, we are going to give the hand to hand them for coming out of that purposes, or what they are going to be sufferer, and we show our concern to others. Committed women who will help build that world, and those who are committed for the job, and they will also help to build that world. And I want every child to have the same chances to learn and dream and grow and develop well. Means here I am wishing every child to have the same chances to learn, cannot be let loose on anybody. No child has having no education. I need every child to become as a educationist. That's why I have taken our family on this great adventure, and I am going to give the example for the other. That is why I have taken our family on this great adventure. I am so proud of both of you. And here is telling to their children, I am so proud of both of you, I love you more than you can ever know. I am always loving you more than you cannot ever thinking about that. And I am grateful every day for your patience. I am always grateful towards to you. You are having the patience, poise, grace, and humor as we prepare to start our new life. And we are going to prepare to start our new life together in the White House. And we are going to start the new life in the White House with lovingly Dad. Okay, thank you, children. We'll meet in the next class.